Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film a really easy, light on the sparkly New Year's Eve look for you guys. So I recently picked this palette up. If you guys have been watching my videos and my vlogs, then you already know the deal with this. But I have been obsessed with the colors in here, so I will be filming a bunch of New Year's Eve looks for you guys. Pretty much gonna only be using this palette from now until the end of the year. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I used, please keep on watching. This is the palette we're gonna be using. It is massive, so hopefully I don't drop it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this color right here. I'm gonna take my Vasanti brush and I'm just going to work this into the upper crease. I'm going to take the shade. I'm going to switch brushes. I'm using my Morphe M502. So I'm going to take this shade and work this right in the crease. I like layering the colors. I just feel like it gives you a really nice dimension. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply this onto my crease. Sorry, not my crease, my lid. And I'm kind of doing a cut crease. Wait, is this right? So taking this shade right here, I'm gonna go in with that same flat brush. In case I didn't tell you, it's the Morphe M224. And I just want to add a very small amount of this onto the lid. Taking this shade right here, I also want to apply a little bit on top. I've been dying to use this shadow, so I'm going to add a very small amount of this onto my inner tear duct. I'm just using the same Morphe brush also. I don't want too much glitter. Surprise, surprise. Just want a very small amount. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but this is beautiful. So I'm really just working this into my inner tear duct. Just bring a very small amount down here. I just love the way glitter just makes your eyes sparkle. I'm just going with very, very small amount. I don't want too much, just want enough. I'm going to apply a wing. My camera stopped recording, so I apologize for that. I went in with my MAC's Teddy liner in my waterline. I wish I had gold, but I don't have gold, so went in with a bronzy brown shade. And I went in with my lashes, which are KOKO lashes in style Queen Bee. I also went back in with this palette and added a little bit more of the glitter because lashes felt were covering it. Yeah, because I went in with dramatic lashes, I really wanted the glitter to pop, but of course glitter and lashes, all of that is completely optional and up to your, based on your preference. Okay, going back in with the palette, I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm just going to add this into the brow bone, just the highest part. And I always like to blend that out a little bit, just so it's not so harsh. I'm going to take that same shadow and just highlight the bridge of my nose. So I think I'm going to use this and highlight my cheekbones. Oh, that's pink. Hold on. Wait, is that pink too? Time out. Taking this shade right here, I'm going to highlight is actually really, really pretty. I'm gonna take this shade also and just use a very small amount and just pop that on top of it. Felt like the other shade was just a little too glittery. I think that's so much better. We're gonna go in with this blush from MAC, and it's in Springsheen. I'm just gonna add this to the apples of my cheek. So for my lips, I was thinking about doing a nude, but I remember I have this Kylie lip set, and this is with coconut lip liner and Kylie liquid lipstick. So I haven't gotten around to using it yet, so we'll just try this out on camera. Alright, so this is the completed look. For the lips, I went in with the whole Kylie lip kit that they had on sale at Ulta, which comes with her coconut lip liner, her Kylie liquid lipstick, and her clear gloss in crystal. I liked the lip. I did, however, feel like the lip liner was a little too light for me. So I went with my Colourpop BFF3 to line my lips, and I really liked the way everything turned out and came together. Overall, I absolutely love this palette. I really liked the way this look turned out. It was really simple, really easy. So it is perfect for those of you who just want to do something simple but with a little bit of glitter. This is definitely the go-to look for you. Like I said, I got this palette on sale. I'm not sure if it's still available right now, but I got mine at Ulta. There was a 50% off, and I found a $5 coupon online, and it pretty much brought this down to $17. So I thought it was an amazing deal, and I am going to be filming a couple of other looks for the rest of the year using this palette alone, just because there's so much amazing shades and colors and just everything in here. Like, look at this palette. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. It's just so beautiful, so stunning in person. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there are certain looks, or well, there are certain color combos that you want me to film for New Year's, if you want me to do something a lot more dramatic, or, you know, let me know. I definitely want to film looks for you guys that you are requesting and want to see. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.